Hello and welcome viewers. Today I am here with one of the most integral topics of English grammar for all levels, be it primary level or be it the competitive exam levels. That is subject-verb agreement. So first of all, I'll just discuss some of the basic rules in which commonly we all make errors. So let's see. Firstly, analyze the structure of these sentences presented over here. First of all, for understanding subject-verb agreement, you need to identify which one is the subject and which one is the verb. Right? So here in this particular sentence, which is the subject? Ram is the subject and eats is the verb. So what is subject? Subject, if we say the subject is a doer of the action, it is not a complete definition. The complete definition would be subject is something which the sentence is talking about. So why Ram is a subject? Because the sentence is talking about Ram. And why have we used which form of verb? There are 5 forms of verb. So which form of verb is to be used? If I change this Ram to I, then can I use eats with it? No, not at all, isn't it? So instead of using eats, this will become eat. Now we say I eat mangoes. Why can't we use? Because subject agrees with its verb in number and person. Even while we change the tense, our subject-verb agreement changes. Right? So here what rules I am going to discuss, let's come to that. So a question arises that where do we use V5 form of verb and this is V1 form of verb? Where do we use it? So V5 form of verb we use with he, she, it. In short, third person singular pronoun plus a singular noun. We use it over there. Right? Okay. So let's come to this sentence. Alright. As I told you with he, she, it and this usage of V5 is only, remember this, it is only in simple present tense sentences. So this sentence, in which tense it is? He does not complete his work. Don't worry about the mistakes present in the sentence. I have intentionally done that. Yes, which tense is this? Again, simple present. And this one is simple past tense. So that means the V5 rule should work over here also. It is, the subject is he. So, but I have written completes. So, is it grammatically correct sentence? He does not complete his work. Is it correct? Just now I stated that with he, she, it, V5 form of verb is used in simple present. Then this is wrong. Then what the question arises that why this is wrong, why it will not take completes and why it will take complete. And this is a very common error that we make. The reason is that we have does over here. And whenever we have does in a sentence, whether it is interrogative or assertive or whatever, then we cannot have V5 form of verb. Why? Because does not agree with the V5 form of verb. It will never take V5 form of verb. So please take care of this, that whenever does come, then this rule doesn't work. The rule which I said just now, that with he, she, it, that means third person singular pronoun and singular noun using V5 in simple present. Because does not agree with V5. Similarly, this is even more common mistake that arises because of improper usage of subject-verb agreement. That is, he did not completed his work. Very frequently you will find people using this. Is it correct? Of course not. It is again wrong. This sentence is in simple past, and in simple past we use V2 form of verb. Completed is V2. So there should be no issues. But we cannot use it over here. Instead, we will remove the ed and we will say he did not complete his work. Why so? Again, the reason is the presence of did in the sentence. Whenever we are having did in a sentence, in a particular sentence, did already makes the sentence past. So there is no need to add the week 2 form of verb. Instead, it takes week 1 form of verb. That means we come to the conclusion that when does, did is there in the sentence, then the form of verb to be used is always week 1. So I hope now onwards you will not be making this particular mistake at least, right? And if you want to get such more informative videos, then do watch our channel and like and subscribe to our channel as well. Thank you so much.